Let's learn how to calculate the average of a column in a dataset, including every row. We'll cover several ways to do this, from manual calculation to using tools like spreadsheets and programming languages. 1. Manual calculation. If you have a small dataset, you can calculate the average manually. First, add up all the values in the column. Then, divide the sum by the total number of values, rows, in that column. For example, if your column has the values 10, 15, 20, and 25, you would add 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 equals 70. Then divide 70 by 4, the number of values, to get an average of 17.5. This method is straightforward but becomes cumbersome with larger datasets. 2. Using spreadsheet software, e.g., Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets. Spreadsheet software provides built-in functions for calculating averages. Simply select the entire column of data and use the average function. In Excel or Google Sheets, you'd type x_average A1, A10, replacing A1, A10 with the actual range of your column. The software will automatically calculate and display the average. This is a quick and easy method, especially for larger datasets. 3. Using programming languages, e.g. such as Python. Programming languages offer powerful tools for data analysis. Python, with libraries like pandas, makes calculating column averages very efficient. Let's assume your data is in a CSV file named data.csv, and the column you're interested in is named value. Here's how you do it. First, you would need to install pandas using pip install pandas. Then, you would import the pandas library. Import pandas as PD. Next, you would read the CSV file into a pandas data frame. Data opd read sv data csv. Finally, you'd calculate the average using the k-meaning method. Average equals data, value at mean here. The average variable would then hold the calculated average of the value column. This is highly flexible and allows for more complex data manipulations. This approach is ideal for large datasets or when you need to integrate the average calculation into a larger analysis workflow. 4. Handling missing data. In real-world datasets, you often encounter missing values, often represented as NA or blank cells. Spreadsheets and programming languages typically handle these automatically by excluding them from the average calculation. For example, if one of the values in your column is missing, the average will be calculated using only the present values. If you need to handle missing data differently, e.g., impute missing values with a specific number, you'll need to use more advanced techniques in spreadsheets or programming languages. For example, in pandas you might use the FILNA method before calculating the mean. In summary, calculating the average of a column involves summing all the values and dividing by the number of values. The best method depends on the size of your dataset and your comfort level with different tools. Manual calculation is suitable for small datasets. Spreadsheets offer a convenient approach for medium-sized datasets, and programming languages provide the most flexibility and power for large or complex datasets. Remember to account for potential missing data, depending on your needs and preferred